What's going on, YouTube? I want to thank you for tuning in. I'm Country Boy Chevy, and this is Hook For Real TV.
Let's go!
Alright, y'all, today we back in Charlotte doing a little brim fishing today. Just a little brim fishing. No bass, just a little brim fishing. Just felt like coming out here having a little fun, catching some panfish, alright? So let's get to it. Alright, for those who don't know, we just doing some pan fishing, and pan fishing set up super easy. Got your cord, got your split shot, hook in the worm. That's it, that's all. That's it, that's all. But let's get in that water, see what we can do. Let's see. I ain't even gonna go far. I'm gonna go right there. See what we can do. Hopefully it don't take long. I just want that instant snatch and go. Snatch and go. That's all I want to see today. But of course, we don't have no luck right here. We just move to a different part of the pond. That's it. Taking a little while for a bite though. Taking a little while. May not be that deep, but let's see what that do. Hopefully that get us a bite. Oh man, I've been trying to work out lately, so my arms right now are pretty much dead. So I didn't feel like doing none of all that casting, that constant casting for the bass like I normally do, because my arms are shot right now. Or we would be out here fishing for some bass right now, because I know they're in this pond. They're definitely in this pond. I fished here before, years ago though, years ago. Okay, we're gonna have to figure something out here, cause what's going on, people? I'm one of those pan fishermen that doesn't know how to be patient. I'm not. I'm gonna keep casting to a spot until I get a bite. And if I get a bite at that spot, I'm gonna stay at that spot. Or I'm gonna keep changing the depth on my cork and my bait until I get a bite, and stay there. What the floozy? I might be too deep, guys, because my bait is gone. So what I'm about to do is bring the cork down some. Fresh little worm to put on. Let's see. I don't like having to change the worm and I ain't got no fish. That's not good. That is not good. Oh man. Change it. I'm talking about I don't feel like casting and bass fishing, but they're busting like crazy over there. Like crazy. So maybe that's where the brim are too. Let's try this. You guys won't be able to see the cork, but let me see. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just screwed up. Let's see if it'll come through there. Oh yes, God is good. God is good. All the time, and all the time, God is good. Wonder what's going on. I feel like a brim bite should be instant out here. I feel like that a bite or? Oh, it is. There's a little bite. He was sneaky with it. Oh. Yeah, I got a bite all right. First bite of the day. First fish out the water. Jeez Louise, man. I'll tell you what, guys. We're going to move on down. We're going to take it on down, Tom. See if we can find some fish for going down.
That's exactly what we're about to do.
Let's go!
All right, y'all, we at a different part of the pond now. Let's see if we can do a little better job over here. I'm gonna try to cast towards the other bank over there too. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, our first bite, and guess what? I blew it. I blew it. I blew it. Our first little bite. Let's get back in that spot though. Right there. Look at me. I don't know, guys. I'm trying my best. I'm trying. I promise you, I'm trying. I don't know what to do yet. I'm getting tore up though. I know that. Uh-oh. 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 Do we have our first brim? It may be a bass. Oh, we have our first brim. We have our first brim. Well, took us long enough, but we got him out of there. Got him out of there. Took us long enough. Jeez Louise. Yep. Took us a minute, but there he is. There he is, y'all. Nice one, you know. Jeez. All right, let's see if we can do it again. See if we can do it again. What happened for you guys? Oh. Ooh. Oh. I should have just, oh my goodness. I probably look like a little child just now, but it's cool. Oh my goodness, man. I wanted to take the ride and just, That was a great cast, and he started running with it, but got too anxious. Ooh, ooh, yep. Oh. What? Oh, got one. Finally. Jeez. Oh, come on. You could have left it alone. Like, what is he thinking? What is this? Man, what? What? Man, get out of here, man. Go on back to business, man. Go on back. Yep, right now. Uh-oh, got another bite. Let's see if that's a better one. Let's see if he's a better one. Let's see. Wow. What is this? Yeah, boy. Well, tell me. Let's see. Someone's gonna just take a watch. Oh. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got one. He's a better one. He's definitely a better one. Ah, come here. Definitely a better one, but you know, it's cool. We'll take it. Better than those little babies we just got, right? Ah, scared me. Oh, and he's pissing all over me. Come on, get out of there. All right, my man. Appreciate it. You're a YouTuber now. There we go. That's a bite. Come and take him. Come on. That should have been a bite right there. That should be a bite. Oh, yep. And guess what? It's a bite. It's your bite. I told you. That was too close to that lay down, and it was just perfect. Boy, I had you skating across that water just now, boy. It's a nice size one, y'all. We're getting better ones. Yeah. What you think? Yeah. Definitely getting better ones. I just knew that had to be a bite. I was like, ain't no way. There's no way that's not a bite right there. All right, let's just go ahead and put a fresh bait on it. No. Get them back out there. There's a blessing in this house, and it's waiting just for you. Then I'll be next. All right, this should be another bite. Ooh, oh! Yes, sir. Yep. Now we're having some fun. You know? Oh, shake it, girl, shake it. All right, she done. But yeah, man, we having some fun now. I like it. Okay, yeah, now we're right next to it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Got him! Yeah, now we having some fun now. It seems like, oh, he took off. That last second run was fun, man. That hurt. Yep, got another one. We'll try to pull like 2 more out and we'll get on out of here. That'll work. What I want to do, I want to get in between that lay down. I don't know if you guys can see it. The lay down right here, a piece of wood laying down, and then what's hanging in the tree right here. I want to get right in between that. Let's see if we can make 2 more. Go do our workout for the night. Take a good shower. Sleep time. Sleepy time. Ooh, what a cat. That's exactly where I want to be. That's crazy. Exactly where I wanted to be. Now, if I don't get a bite, I'm going to be disappointed. Yep. I'm sitting here, hey, I'm so sorry. Like, they snatched it too. That probably was a baby. Oh, come on. Come on back then. Come on back. Y'all figure it was a baby the way he bit that. Kind of figure it was a baby the way he bit it, but we'll take them too, you know. Let's try to get back in that spot. I feel like there's some bigger ones over there though. Try to get back over there. I said 2 more fish. Let's try to make the last one a good one. All right, right there. Oh, good bite. Good bite. And it feels like a good one. Feels like a good one. Nah, maybe a baby. Oh, it's a decent one. It's a decent one. You know, it's a decent one. Can't complain about it, you know. Can't complain about it at all. Them jokers always scare me when they do that. I don't know what it is. Let's do one more and that's it, y'all. We out of here. All right, y'all. That's it for us today, y'all. I done popped my line. And it's getting dark. So I'm about to call it a day. Pretty good day. We started off rough. Couldn't catch nothing. Couldn't get any bites. Until we found us a little honey hole or whatever you would like to call it, where we were just pulling in one after the other, you know. But like I said, I popped my line. That's gonna be it for today's episode, and I appreciate y'all for watching. All right, we out.
Let's go.